Selamat datang. That means welcome in Malay. My name is Cynthia and I'm happy to pitch to you the idea of cooking Agak-Agak. Agak-Agak is about intuitive cooking using not just your five senses but understanding the different elements of food, the oil, the acids, what pulls a dish together, understanding basic food science. And I cannot wait to show you more.
Join me as I dive into diverse Asian cuisines, teaching you how to cook with confidence and creativity, using your intuition and senses to guide you. Each episode, I will share stories and create mouth-watering dishes together using locally available ingredients. On Agak-Agak Intuitive Cooking, you learn to trust your instincts, embrace your inner chef, experience the joy of cooking like you never have before. Let's revolutionize the way you cook and enjoy food. See you on Agak-Agak Intuitive Cooking.